Hello, this is Patrick from Expression. I'd like to show you how two operators can share files between each other using the sequencer in a file-based workflow. So let's use this example. I have two expression engines in my facility, and I also have a server in the middle of all this, and I want to be able to put files to it. So if I'm working on engine number 1, I create a file and I want to save it. I'm going to put it up on the server. And the other operator wants to go to that server and bring down that file so they have accessibility to it so they can play back the same graphics that I built on engine 1 on engine 2.
Here's how to do it.
I'm in the sequencer, and I'm one of two operators in the control room for this particular show, and I've built a graphic on my system that I would like to give to the operator on the other system. I'm going to take item number 4, so I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to come down to Export Take Item as XML. I'm going to choose that, and the dialog box comes up, but it already titles it for me, so I get Take Item 4. I'm going to choose Save. And again, I'm saving this to a server that both devices can use. So I'm going to click on that and click Save. Now, I've done this on my machine. Let's go over to the other machine and take a look. Okay, I'm on the second machine, and now I want to import the graphic Take ID 4 that was created by the other operator on the other device into my system. So I want to go to that file server. I'm going to do File, Take Item List, Import XML. And I'm mapped out to that same server. I'm going to click on Take Item 4. I'm going to click OK. I get a dialog box that lets me bring this in. I can also use this to renumber it. And I'm going to click Import. And I'm going to close this import menu. And you can see now I have Take ID 4. Everything is built. Everything is the same. If I had images, if I'm using file paths, I get the same information. If I'm using materials from my scenes, I'll get that same information. So this is a way that I can use two different machines together and send files back and forth in the sequencer as long as I'm working within the same project.